In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show followers on your Facebook profile by adjusting your Facebook follower options. Setting this up is quite straightforward, so let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. If not, simply enter your login credentials and get started. The next step is to find your way to the settings. You'll typically find the settings under the drop-down menu in the top right corner of your Facebook page. By clicking on it, you will enter a space where you can manage numerous aspects of your Facebook account. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of options. Here, focus your attention on the Followers and Public Content section. This is where you can control who can follow you and how your followers' interactions with your profile are managed. So, give it a click to open the relevant settings panel. Once you're in the Followers and Public Content section, you'll see different options regarding followers. Look for the option labeled, Who can see your followers on your timeline? Clicking this will allow you to choose Who can see your followers list on your profile. You'll be presented with a few privacy options, such as Public, Friends, and Others. If you want anyone who visits your profile to see who your followers are, select Public. On the other hand, if you prefer to limit it to your friends only, choose Friends. Take a moment to consider your privacy preferences here. This simple decision will affect how your presence and social interactions on Facebook are perceived by others. After selecting your desired visibility option, make sure to save your settings to ensure they're applied properly. These settings might slightly vary depending on updates from Facebook, so double-check to ensure you're following the right steps. That's it. Now, your followers' visibility settings have been updated according to your preference. With these changes, you are now able to manage how others see your social reach on Facebook. Remember, you can always come back and tweak these settings if your preference changes in the future. Checking these settings from time to time is a good habit to get into, especially since platforms like Facebook can update their privacy options and layout. Hopefully, this brief guide has helped you understand how to manage your followers' visibility on Facebook. If you have further questions or require clarification, feel free to explore Facebook's help resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been useful in enhancing your Facebook experience.